Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to activate Maya Mobile eSIM. So to activate, you can activate through the QR codes. I will show you the two methods here. So purchase an eSIM. If you have already purchased an eSIM from here, then it's great. First select and buy an eSIM data packet suitable for your location. Then on the device where you want to install the eSIM, open the camera app. Point the camera at the QR code you receive after purchasing. Tap the notification that appears which should say data plan. Right, now once it's done, follow the on-screen instruction to install the new data plan. Accept the default option unless you have a specific preferences. Right now, ensure that the data roaming is set on in your phone settings to avoid connectivity issues. And the second method is which I have mentioned here, that is activating via manual activation code. So you need to follow this instruction very carefully. Log in into your Maya mobile account, go to your account and navigate to my eSIM. Request activation code, so they will send you activation code here. Click on install eSIM and select manual activation code. Enter details on phone. For iOS and iPhone, open settings, go to the cellular and tap eSIM. Select enter details manually and input the SMDP plus address and activate code from your account. For Android, for example, Google Pixel, open settings, go to the network and internet and tap the plus icon for SIM. Choose download a SIM instead and then select enter it manually and input the activation details. So this is it, and after installing, check that your device is connected by looking for a 4G or 5G signal. If you experience any issues while connecting after 30 minutes, you can always go to this website and help it. Right, so you can just go and click on help and they will help you with. You can just go to the contact us, contact them and they will help you with it. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.